Why study history? From the medieval Mappa Mundi to treasures of the Renaissance, 32,000-year-old sculptures to ancient Egyptian mummies, Norman invasion tapestries, castles, and photographs of more recent 20th century events. History is fascinating, and it helps us understand where we came up with our sense of our national and cultural identities, as well as helping us to see how international relations of today have formed. History is relevant. It's not all dead and gone. Questions over whether Scotland should remain a part of Britain or Britain should remain a part of the EU are all rooted in historical events and experiences. Even the most recent events like the Ebola epidemic in 2014, 15 and 16 can be compared to 13th century Black Death epidemics. And history is the politics of the past. It's impossible to understand the current political situations and alliances and international relations without understanding the things that underlie them in the past. If you want amazing job opportunities, then history is the subject for you. Okay, so knowledge of events and people of the past obviously help you, give you the edge if you want to be a museum curator, a university lecturer, a teacher, or work in the film industry or TV documentaries where they're looking for people with historical expertise. But more than that, there are hundreds of jobs out there which history makes you perfect for. It gives you the ability to analyse evidence and assess its reliability, forming well-informed and justified conclusions. These are the skills that criminal lawyers and investment bankers look for. And more than that, your outstanding communication skills make you perfect for jobs in management and in politics. Furthermore, your ability to put together watertight arguments and form counter-arguments for anyone who might argue against you make you perfect for being a lawyer or a barrister or working in marketing and journalism. And your ability to sift through evidence, identifying the most relevant evidence, using it to test your hypothesis and draw conclusions, makes you perfect for crime scene investigation, working in medicine, even in radio broadcasting. There are thousands of opportunities out there for you. If you want to go to a prestigious university like Oxford or Cambridge or any of the Russell Group universities, the top universities in the UK, then you should consider studying history. On their website for the Russell Group, talking about informed choices for A-level and GCSE options, it lists 8 subjects that Russell Group universities identify as being particularly important for preparing you for further study at university and that are preferred on your application. One of these 8 subjects is history. Want to be a leader, an innovator? Study history. Learn from past mistakes, missed opportunities for investment, or missed opportunities for accepting new ideas. Learning from past political mistakes. Many of our most recent Prime Ministers, including David Cameron, Gordon Brown and John Major, all studied history, whether at GCSE, A-level or university. It stood them in good stead with those leadership transferable skills and knowledge that they gained in their studies. So think long, think hard, but be smart. Study history.